Okay. How about Abraham, Simeon, and Anaya? 5 questions.
Which questions?
The pie diagram questions.
Yeah,
That I
that
gave
is the
you.
easiest.
Easiest. Okay. Good. All right. So we will discuss the paper, okay, in the class after it is checked. And right now, we will start with the application of Vedic mathematics, the chapter that we were doing. Okay. And we were doing a sutra known as, we were doing the multiplication sutras, right? Today also we will do multiplication sutras.
Ma'am,
Yes.
that same sutra that we were doing on Muslim?
No. We will do another sutra known as Sutra Niklam.
Isn't this for a addition?
Sorry, I couldn't hear you, Simeon.
Isn't this Sutra Niklam for the addition?
For the addition? No, this is for multiplication.
Both addition and multiplication. Can you use any sutra for all 4 operations?
Anurupihin.
Because in the textbook I saw in the 19th chapter that there was Sutra Niklam for addition.
Yes, so it is for addition in the 19th chapter. 20th chapter, we have Sutra Niklam for the multiplication. Okay, so one sutra covers all the things. Okay, name is the same, but this is for multiplication. So when I'll give in the test, I'll mention what operation you have to do. Okay, I won't just give you like Sutra Niklam. Okay, and give you some numbers so you will be confused if you have to do addition or multiplication. No, I will mention. Okay, so how you can identify? Either you can identify with the signs. Okay, like if Niklam is written but it hasn't written if you have to multiply or add, you can see the multiplication signs are there, means you have to multiply under Niklam. If addition signs are there, means you have to add using the Niklam Sutra. Okay, got it? Now, moving on to what is this sutra? How do we use it? Let's take an example. Multiply 602 with 606. Okay, so this is a little bit similar to the previous sutra that we did. Okay, we take deviations. Put the numbers. Write the deviation. Deviation of 606. 6. Okay, now see the first step is the same. Okay, first step is the same. We write the numbers and the deviations. This is your first step. Okay, second step is also the same. Why? We multiply 2 and 6. 2 and 6. That is, we multiply the deviation. Okay, we multiply the deviation. So this is step 2.
Ma'am, 3 digits.
Repeat it, Rick.
Ma'am, does the deviation need to be in 3 digits or no?
Does the deviation need to be in 3 digit or no? No, Edric, not in this one, okay?
Ma'am, in the previous one it was in 3 digits.
Yes, previous one it was in 3 digits, but here it is just, we'll work out with the 2 digits, okay? Okay, see, Edric, look here. I have the numbers in hundreds form, okay? So, in 100, how many zeros are there? 2. So, we can work out with 12. Okay, that many digits in the deviation we need to have. Okay, so we will work out with 12. All right, now, third step. What's the third step? See, this is a bit, it might confuse you a bit, so look very carefully. Okay, to this 602, to this 602, we add this 6. Okay, we add this 6. Okay, and multiply the whole thing by the first digit of the first number. That is what? 6. Okay, so I will write it here. I'll write it here. 602 plus 6. Multiply the whole thing by the first digit. That is this digit. We will multiply. Okay, and this digit we will add. Okay, so it becomes 6 02 plus 6. First we add. Okay, so 608 multiplied by 6. Okay, how much? 3648. Okay, this is the step 3. Step 3. Okay, now the final step, we will put them together. Again, this is the right side of the answer. Okay, right side of the answer. And this is the left side of the answer. Okay, so the step 4, we will put them together. Answer will be 364812. 364812. Okay. Now, I hope this question is clear to you all. See once again. First, we will write the numbers. Then we will put the deviations. Okay. 602 deviation is 2. 606 deviation is 6. Okay. Then multiply the deviations together. Okay. Multiply the deviations. Okay. What we will obtain, the product will be the right side of the answer. Okay. Product 12 we got. 12 is the right side of the answer. Then we move on to the next, the numbers. Okay. Pick up the first number. Okay. Multiply it with the deviation of the second number. Okay. Add it to the deviation of the second number and multiply the first digit of the first number, the whole thing. Okay, take the first digit of the first number and multiply the whole thing. What? The number itself and the added deviation of the second number. Okay, so it becomes 602 plus 6 means first you add the division of the second number to the first number and then multiply the whole thing with the first digit of the first number, that is 6. 6 into 608, that will give you the left side of the answer. Now we have the right side, we have the left side. So we put them both together. And we'll get the answer. Abraham, hope the question was clear to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Simeon, it is clear?
Yeah, but it's slightly complicated.
Slightly complicated, yes, slightly. But see, just remember that take this number, okay, add this deviation to it, okay, add this deviation to it, okay. What you obtain, then multiply that thing with the first digit of the first number, okay, the first digit of the first number. Then you will get the right side of the answer, okay. Okay, one question I will give you to try
I
out.
don't understand how the process works. Like, what's the logic?
What's the logic? Simeon, there is no like actual logic behind it, okay, but a technique, okay. This is not like any logic we're working with, but just a technique to find out, okay. These techniques are developed, okay, with numbers who are starting with the same digit, okay, and same kind of looking numbers for different same group of numbers. Different techniques have been designed to find out the product. Okay. So rather than a logic, this is more of a technique that we have to do and find.
Ma'am,
Yes, Edric.
this is so difficult and complicated.
Some techniques are difficult and complicated, but some are easy. Like the addition ones, subtraction ones we did, right? Some techniques are easy. Since it's in your course, we have to do. Okay. Now don't get confused. All right. Just check that what type of sums use what type of techniques. Okay.
For this, it's easier to use normal mental maths instead of this sutra, because all you have to do is into I mean wait 602 into 606 mentally, and then you get the
Mhm.
answer. That's all.
Yes, Simeon. Yes, that's right. Okay. So, that's right. It is easier to do it in the normal way. Okay. But since it's there, we have to learn some sutras. Okay. So just go through it. Okay. We are doing very slow. We are doing step by step. Okay. Still, there's any doubt, you just ask me. Okay. Don't keep any confusion in mind regarding anything. All right. Okay. One question I
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, Ibrahim.
Ma'am, actually, it's not in the sutras. Ma'am, it's in the test paper that you had sent.
Okay, what is it?
Ma'am, so ma'am, when you sent the test paper, ma'am, I
Hmm.
completed the test paper, but I had some amount of difficulty in completing. Such as, ma'am, you send this, the fourth question. It's asking how many members is the smallest family. So I wrote three. In many families are with less number. I was not able to understand what does the less number mean.
But it means with the least number.
And
Yes, that is right. With the least number. Okay. It refers to the families with the least number.
ma'am,
Okay.
can you just repeat? Can you
The,
just repeat?
the families with least number. Okay. Like least number of members.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes.
Ma'am,
Any.
I had a question in the fifth question. Ma'am, you said that you're asking that about like you showed the bar graph, ma'am, and you asked various questions, ma'am. So,
Mhm.
ma'am, my answers are approximately because when you zoom in, the bar graph is actually not meeting on the exact line of the numbers. They are little here and there.
Okay. Okay. So you all right, Abraham, I will check. Okay. If it is nearest to the if the your prox is nearest to the original, I'll mark it correct. Okay. I got your point.
And ma'am, also in the eighth question, there were Hindi words.
Eighth question.
And there
Okay.
were words to be, I had to write in Hindi and I could only translate too.
Okay. So sorry about the last diagram. Um, Gehu is wheat, okay. Chawal is rice. Sarson is I think sesame. Then moong is a type of this thing dal. Moong and urad are both types of dals. You know, a dal.
I just wrote the Hindi word.
You just wrote the Hindi word. That's okay, Abraham.
I
It will
have
be marked. Okay.
And then when I was doing the Bagra, I picked a scale for 1 cm representing 100. So I had to draw approximately a little.
Okay, Barbara will go through it, Abraham. Okay, I'll go through it, and then I'll check and we'll discuss it after. Okay.
Okay, then. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. All right. So try out this question using this sutra. Using the same sutra. Try out this question.
Ma'am, is it 501960?
501960. Yes, I'm right. 501960 is correct.
Then ma'am, I even got 501960.
Okay. Very good. Let's try it. We have the numbers and deviation. 705 and 712. 5 and 12 are the deviations. Multiply. How much? 60? 60. Okay, so I have the left side of the answer. Oh, sorry, the right side of the answer. Then add. We will add 12 to 705. Okay, so 705 plus 12. And then we will multiply the whole thing with 7. Okay, so we have how much? 717 multiplied by 7. Okay, which is how much? 5019. Okay. So step 1, then adding is step 2. Oh, sorry, multiplying is step 2. Then this addition and multiplication, step 3. And last step, we put them together. Okay. Step 4, we put the right side and the left side of the answer together. First this part, left part, and then the right part. So 501960 is the answer. Okay. Hope it is clear to you all. All of you are getting the answer. Okay. All right. So, okay, tell me what's the status of the homework for this chapter? Have you all started with the exercises? 20.1, 2, 3. No? Okay. If not yet, then please start doing. Okay. Today's homework is exercise 20.4. Okay. 20.4. So till 20.4, you all have to finish it. Okay. Also, I am planning for a test of the 19th chapter. Okay.
When?
When shall we keep it? Tell me. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, next week, or this week Friday? It's a small chapter. I think this week Friday will also work. What do you people think?
I don't think I can.
You don't think you'll be there?
I don't think I'll have time for that because
You just
I
repeat.
had some other things also.
Okay. Okay, Simeon. Yeah, can
Can
you,
you repeat?
can you repeat? How about, I was asking, how about the test of 19 chapter this Friday?
Okay, ma'am. Please.
Ma'am, can you just repeat what you said?
Yes, I am saying, how about the test of 19th chapter, that is Introduction to Vedic Mathematics, this Friday? You're muted, Abraham.
Ma'am, that would be too close. Could we have it next week maybe?
So please, can we have it this Friday? I want it this Friday.
Okay. But like Abraham, Simeon, and I think even Anaya, like the measure is for the next week. So I think we will keep next week. Okay. This week, the important thing that you have to do is prepare for the test also and finish the exercises of 20th chapter also. Okay. Finish 20th chapter and do prepare for the test. Next week, Monday, we can keep.
Ma'am, why not this Friday, ma'am?
Why not this Friday? Because it's just early, okay? It's a bit early because today's Wednesday already, okay?
I'm
Only
sorry,
one.
on Friday normally I'm a little busy.
Okay, all right. Monday is okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then Monday you will have the test of the this thing 19th chapter. Okay. Any doubts are there? You can ask me this Friday, from the 19th chapter. Ma'am, explain this sutra again. Okay. Ma'am, can we do this sutra once again? Okay. Any sutra you want me to repeat, you want me to explain again? This Friday, ask
Ma'am,
me. Yes, Andrew.
how come yesterday's test?
Yesterday's test we will discuss tomorrow. Okay. If the papers are checked by then, I think probably they will be checked. We can discuss it tomorrow. Okay. Okay. So that's all for class today. We will start with another sutra in the next class. Okay, today I'm not starting, but in the next class we'll start with another sutra. Okay. Okay then. Bye. See you all.
Bye,
Have a
ma'am.
good bye. Bye.
Bye, Sunil. Bye, ma'am.
Yes, Abraham.
Ma'am, science, ma'am. I have a question about. Will we do science today?
Will we do science today?